Live. Sorry for the. No, I haven't taken anything. Price hasn't really given us anything as of now, at least. And we also have news at. We have news at 10, so I have to keep that in mind. Dude, why isn't the Wi-Fi just the Wi-Fi right now is so bad? So bad. Holy fuck. Alright, I think it should be fine now. Great, now the whole ass. What is going on? Alright, that's it. I'm doing. There, I think. Now I'm actually back with internet this time. Maybe not. Okay, there we go. So we're seeing, Jesus Christ, alright, so much is going on right now. I'm not sure whether to go short or long yet. I'm waiting for, I was waiting for this inverse rally gap to get either this 5-minute rally gap to either get filled or inversed. So I'm waiting for that. We do have news at 10, so I think even if we do inverse this 5-minute gap, I'm gonna wait for the news. I'm kind of more bullish on the day. I think we have these weekly highs that we definitely want to take out prior to the NFP, and then NFP will just extend us to all-time highs. So I know this is a little bit rushed, but whatever, it's fine. And now I'm just waiting. I want to see a 5-minute, like if I see a fill this 5-minute gap and a 5-minute closure above, so we break 5-minute structure, I will go long. I'll take the longs all the way up to the weekly highs, ideally in NQ or ES, because ES is also having those same weekly highs. And now I'm just waiting and seeing where price wants to go. Nothing is set in stone yet, so I just want to let you guys know. Oh fuck, yeah, I forgot that. So it looks like we do want to respect this 5-minute gap. I don't want to enter right before news, though. That's the thing. Especially given that the previous news are bearish, I really don't want to enter. I'm hoping that the entry doesn't just present itself perfectly again, like it did yesterday. But if we do see a perfect entry with a fill of a 5-minute gap plus a breaker structure to the upside on NQ, like we'd have to close up here, I will take that. I will definitely take that long. So let's just say that we enter here. Gotta make sure that my stop loss is good. So 10 is perfect actually for how much I want to risk. So I am doing something a little bit scuffed right now, but what the heck? What happened to my internet? What? Oh my days, man. What is going on? Alright, I guess we're back. What the fuck is actually going on, bro? This is fucking terrible Wi-Fi right now. And my Ethernet cable is not working, which is lovely. Just exactly what I want to see. Anyways, for me to go short, I don't think so. I mean, we could rebalance into this 4-hour gap. Like if you get the 4-hour time frame, there's potential for rebalance into here. But after this rejection of these lows, I think we can expect to continue higher. Obviously, we have to wait and see what happens. But so this next 5-minute candle is really important. Unfortunately, it's the candle right before news, which I really don't like. I was hoping this would happen before, like much before, much later, but it is what it is. The news respects the market anyway. Like, so if we see a strong entry, then I will definitely take that, and we'll have to just go from there. Oh, what am I eyeing right now? Nothing much, to be honest. In the 5 minute, nothing much has presented itself. The Dow, not really. I mean, hasn't even broken 5 minute structure technically, so no reason to go short on that. Thinking, I mean, if we do a short, I probably will wait for like the 5 minute inverse or something of the sorts. But I think just because of the overall bias, especially if we close the hourly up here, I'm expecting price to continue higher. So that's why I'm okay with all that. So let's do 20 each here, and now we just have to wait this out. Dude, my internet is just terrible right now. I don't even know why. But anyways, I need to buy a USB extender. Jesus Christ. Like a one too many USBs. So, not seeing anything right now. The Dow is dumping. Dumpy sesh. And we are not seeing many legs up. I'm okay with this just because I'm hoping that news just drags us down, and then whenever, if I see like, honestly, if I see like a really negative push from the news and clearly dragging us lower, I will take a short on any retrace that we form. So if we go here like on NQ and we effectively like inverse this gap and we see a drag down and then like a retrace into here, I will 100% go short. If we don't see anything today, that's all right. We don't have to see something every single day, especially given the news. I'm very surprised that we like are going up. I was really thinking that we were just going to continue lower given the super bearish news of ADP non-farm employment change. We came out super bearish, so that's why I was a little bit surprised. But anyways, I guess we just have to wait and see another 2 minutes until the news comes out. Hopefully we don't get, I mean, as much as I do want to get my entry model going, I don't want to do it right before the news. I really don't. Would not be ideal. So let's just hope. As much as I think it's probably best to wait for the news regardless. Like no matter what. Even if we do see the entry, I think the news is probably more important to wait for. There was one entry like earlier today, right here. There's like a small little long. We fill this gap pretty perfectly, and we see a rejection, and we could just target both of these sides, and it would have hit like really quickly. It would have hit within 5 minutes, but it was a market open trade, like it was a market open bet basically. So kind of want to avoid those. Wait and see what we want to do. I think if I do take the long, my only take profit would probably be these weekly highs. I don't see any other potential take profits, so I'll probably just leave it at that. Thankfully, we're not really making any moves right now. We're just consolidating, waiting for the news to come out. And once we make the move from the news, then we can take a trade. Nothing as of now, and hopefully nothing presents itself. And yes, we're seeing a potential presentation of an entry, which is really annoying. Right here, we're filling in this 5 minute. We inverse a 5 minute gap. We inverse this 5 minute gap. We form this 5 minute gap. We fill exactly to the halfway point, forming a discount. If we close above here, I would go long too. So I think the continuation is definitely going up. I mean, we're on a huge bull run. We already made a retrace. We took out the previous session lows. The daily is bullish. The weekly is bullish. And on the video that comes out today, I talk about trading with the trend. So that's what I'm doing today. I'm not going to fight the trend as much as we did sweep liquidity and we broke feminine structures to a downside. It's against the trend. Yeah, so this is why we wait for the news to come out. We just completely jumped down in price. That's actually insane. I hadn't seen that in so long. This is why we wait for the news to come out. This is a weird candle. If you guys saw it on Trade-O-Vate, it's a weird one. Look at NQ. Look at this. What the fuck is this? It's crazy. So this also came out bearish. Now, what can we do about this? Honestly, I really have no idea how to go about this. There's potential for me to just not even take a trade today, just because of this. Because we are bearish. And as much as we are, like, the news came out bearish. I mean, let me just confirm, obviously, but I believe they did come out bearish. So, yeah, 40. Yeah, it came out pretty bearish. That's what price came down. So, I think we should have to wait for a little bit of a stabilize price action before we do anything. I mean, on NQ, we're just filling orders right here. That's what we want to do. As long as we fill that entire bearish gap, there's potential for us to go short. And we're not even inversing the 5-minute gap, which is kind of crazy. Let's just wait and see what happens now. This is so weird. Look at this candle at Dow Jones. It's already an inverse. Look, we open all the way down here and we close up here and we're still like below the previous candle. So I've never seen that before. What the fuck? Probably want to get out of the market, to be honest, after seeing that. ES has a huge rejection break here. So I think we're still going up. I think clearly the bias is still going higher. So if I see a 5-minute closure like above here, potentially I will take a trade. I'm not gonna put my stops all the way down here, obviously, but I don't know. I don't really know where to go. I'm not really sure where we want to go with price. We're just waiting. Kind of waiting this out. I honestly, like, dude, every single one of my senses is just telling me to get out of the market right now and just not do anything. So that's probably what I'm gonna do. I still want to watch, see what happens, but everything is telling me to just get the fuck out. We're definitely only, like, after the bearish news, I'm expecting us to continue lower. I'd be surprised if we continue higher. It would be a little bit weird. We can maybe expect like, you know, retracement into this 4-hour gap right here, taking out both of these liquidities. So that's a possibility, I guess. I'd have to see a really good entry though. I mean, an inverse of this gap is just not enough for me to take. That's the thing. And I would take like half a position, but it just doesn't make any sense to me to take that right now. That's why. I really don't. Because I don't have a clear idea of where price wants to go. We might want to continue lower or not. We definitely want to take out this data low. That for sure, but I don't know if we want to continue lower after that or not. That's the thing. I might consider entering half a position here off of this 5-minute inverse and just overall bearish news bias and everything. I probably won't. I think I need to respect the rules that I set for and everything. So it's not about making money; it's about taking good trades. But we inverse the gap, and I don't know. I think I'm just gonna wait this out. I don't see an entry. That's the thing. like that 5-minute inverse, sure, but look, we wick down all the way below this, all this stuff, so like there's potential for reversal. I think if we then fill this 5-minute, if we form another 5-minute gap and we fill this 5-minute gap, then yeah, maybe I could take a trade off of that, but if not, it doesn't make any sense to take a trade. I need to go on. I forget that my keyboard is not enabled. I have to do that. I mean, I guess it could have been a valid trade. It's just, I don't know. I just didn't see it. I don't see it. That's the thing. I just don't see it. I don't see this 5-minute inverse being the reason why we just go lower. I just don't see it. Clearly it was, but I didn't see it. So I guess I have to wait this out. Yeah, I mean, look at this 10, and then we just fill that, and then that. Like, I don't know, man. I don't know, man. It just doesn't look good to me. I don't care if you took the trade or not. It's fine with me. But I don't really see if this might continue lower, this might not. I really don't know. I'm gonna stick around, see if I find an entry. Like I said, if we tap into this gap, I'll probably enter a short off of that. We clearly want to discover lower, but just don't know when. Yeah, we're continuing lower on ES. I guess this would have been the trade right here, just to show you guys what could have been the potential trade. Enter off of that target, I'd say all the way down here. Target, take profit 1, take profit 2, and then take profit 3 at the final low. Unfortunately, I just didn't see the entry, and it looks like that was the move that wanted to be made. That's too bad. Yeah, we just took those out on NQ. Just really did not see an entry right now. Just gotta wait this out. Trading is so much fun. I'm having so much fun. Hip hip hooray. Trading is so much fun. I'm having the time of my life. Stupid ass. We still haven't taken out the lows. guess the trade was not valid after all. Yeah, I don't know, man. I think I'm just getting the fuck out. I think that's probably the best move to do. I don't see anything. I mean, if we fill this gap and then we see a closure below this, they're going short. There's potential to go short, but I think we're just consolidating after the news came out. Alright, we tap into the gap, not the middle of it, but we tap into it. We go ahead and, I guess, move this. Yeah, we kind of tap into the gap. I don't know, man. I really don't know where we want to go. I think I'm just not going to take a trade today. Don't see anything. I still don't see anything, so. This is I really don't see anything at all, man. Holy shit. I just saw that comment, thank you. Bro, this is terrible, man. Holy fuck. Holy fuck, man. Holy fuck. It's fucking terrible ass work. Terrible work from Price. Like, I don't like oh my god, what do we even do from this? Like, what do I even do? You know what we do? We step off the charts. That's what we do. That's what I'm gonna do. That's what's gonna happen. I'm stepping off the charts. Stepping off the charts. We'll see. Dude, like there really is no reason to take a trade right now. Like inverse is 5-minute gap. Like really, this is the fight. Like on ES, which is the only one's behaving normally. Like we want to inverse this 5-minute gap. The Gapperoni. I don't even know, man. We do have an SMT. Holy edge. We do have an SMT right here. And the overall bias continues to be bullish somehow, bro. Somehow, some way we continue to be bullish. I don't know how. Like, oh my god. What is, oh my god. What is he move? What is his move? What is his push up? What the hell? I don't know, man. I don't see it. As much as I would want to enter like on this hypothetical trade right here, like target these and then target these, probably stops like below here. I really should not because prices. Oh man. Price is not great right now. We're definitely just in a consolidation range right now. That's what we're doing. We're this like the news came out. I mean, the move was made here. The move was made here. The news came out both bearish. I'm so very surprised that we're continuing to drag price higher. But I think what we need to do is just get the fuck out of here. Yeah, like, bro, what the fuck? Holy shit. Holy sell-off. Consolidation much? I don't know. This could be a potential trade, actually. Large rejection of this 5-minute gap. Down here. If we close below this, I will actually take a low risk short. Just targeting these lows and these lows. But only if we close, it has to be this candle, like it has to be within the next 2 minutes. Yeah, I don't know, man. I don't know about that. Large move up. This looks like super bullish right now. If this was like the 5-minute time frame, I would have entered here 100%. Like this looks bullish right now. This looks like we want to continue higher. I think we definitely do want to continue higher. I think the trade might be on ES. I mean SMT. If we inverse this 5-minute gap, potentially take a trade. Like only if we inverse this. It's a big if. I mean, the trade was earlier. The trade was taking it off on the Dow Jones. Was the trade? Like the trade was down here. This 5-minute fill just took these highs. That was the correct trade. But yeah, I mean, price is just continuing higher. Holy fucking shit, man! We're just not even questioning all the news. Like really? All right. Here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna enter a small position once this 5-minute candle inverses, only if this 5-minute candle inverses gap. If not, I'm not entering shit. Even if it's a tick lower, I'm not entering shit. It has to be very much above, and my stops are gonna be like literally right below this. Alright, we didn't inverse, no entry. I'm not entering that shit. No inverse, no entry. price action. We're definitely just trickling higher right now. We formed a 4-hour wick down again. We're just trickling higher right now. That's all we're doing. I mean, how am I supposed to trade on NQ when I have this huge gap? Sweep liquidity, that's it? Give me something, man. Fucking hell. Anything. I'll take anything. We don't see anything. I'm gonna call it there, man. This shit is not going anywhere. Like, bro, don't you dare give me an entry on for shorts. Like, don't even think about it. No, we're just gonna consolidate. No move is gonna be made for a while. Is there something else coming out today? I think there's FOMC speakers later today. No, there's not. That's tomorrow. Yeah, no trades today. Knock, knock, who's there? Okay, wait. I already know what to do. Adela, you always. Oh my God, sorry for the audio. You always know where price is going. So why don't you help me out? Why don't you tell me where price is gonna go? Since you're such a genius, such a guru, such a master of the craft. Help me out here. Where's price gonna go? Are we going up or down? Yeah, it's just hourly consolidation right now. I'm not gonna take any trades. I'm calling it, but I'll here just for fun. I'm looking at my trade of 8, and I'll go into paper trading with the $7 million account. And I just want to hear from the master, the genius herself. Where's price gonna go? Where are we going with price? I just need to know. I must know. What do I do? Do I go long or do I go short? My God, this 50-minute looks terrible. Holy fucking shit. This 30-minute looks even worse. I think we're gonna. Dude, it's like, why is the price just behaving this way? It's just not giving us anything at all. Like, I think everything is telling me that we want to continue higher. I mean, the 4-hour, the hourly, the 5-minute, like everything is telling me, hey man, I think we want to go higher, man. I think you should go long. You should really go long here. As much as I want to go long, I really should not go long because we're just going to consolidate. And I don't want to get stopped out for no fucking reason at all. And I'd rather just wait for a good trade. Why? Because we don't trade for the money. We trade to make good trades. Again, sorry for the late stream today. Had something going on. But honestly, it's not even worth streaming for this. Like, for this fucking price? Not even worth streaming. Oh my god, you know what, man? Fuck this. I'm putting my foot down. I'm taking a $4 million long. No. There we go. So. Oh, oops, I guess I'm risking much more. Not a great risk to reward, but that's my trade right there. Stop loss, let's put my stop loss right over here instead. Dude, there's just actually no way we're going higher, man. There's actually just no fucking shot. We're actually going higher. Guys, trust the trades. We're up 375k. Holy shit. We're so good. We are so good at this. We are so good at this. Holy fucking shit, man. Nah, we're not going. I don't know. I don't see the trade. Maybe like on NQ, potentially, like on NQ right here, if we close above this, potentially. I mean, the trade was clearly like down here, enter here. Like, this is, like, I guess this isn't like a 5-minute inverse or value gap, but like, is it though? Is it though? I don't know. I don't think so. And now ES is rallying, like, what the fuck are we doing? Why is my paper trading account better than my real trading account? Somebody explain that to me. Yeah, we're definitely gonna go. I think we really are definitely going higher here. And as a matter of fact, I'm gonna enter a small position on NQ. Once we see the 5-minute candle close. Let me go for 1 minute really quickly. We're filling that gap though. I need to see as a closure above that gap. I don't even know why we're going higher, man. Honestly, I don't really see it. Full honesty here, I don't really see it, but. I'm just kind of eyeing a little bit NQ right now. I'm seeing a lot of sells after we fill a gap right here. On NQ, we're filling in this 1 minute imbalance right here that we formed. Don't see a reason to go either way, to be honest. Nah, man, I'm not gonna take a trade. I need to protect my sweep liquidity post news, immediate bullish expansion. Everything. I think we really do want to continue higher. Really not opposed to going long here. That's the worst part about it. Kind of waiting for the 5-minute closure. And potentially entering along an NQ once this 5-minute closes, if we close above the gap. Thinking about it, but I don't think I should. I think I'm just going to target the highs. I think we really want to continue higher, especially because the 30-minute closure will be like super bullish.
Order filled.
Along right now. I'll do 10. That's 9, 5. price is the weekly high? 21,858. 858. All right. Okay, as much as I really shouldn't take this long, I'm in this long right now. Stops right below here. Take profit 1 up here, take profit 2 right up here. So that's the trade I'm in. And I actually have to stop the stream because I have to do something. So I'll let you guys know how the trade goes. I think I'm risking like 400 bucks on this. It's not the end of the world if I lose. And I'm just gonna wait for, I mean, we broke 5-minute structure, we closed above the gap, we swept liquidity. This is the 5-minute break of structure. I'm only targeting these previous highs and the weekly highs. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'll leave trade rate open, but anyways, that's the trade for today. So I'm gonna call the stream there. I'll probably post a video later. I mean, you guys will see on the weekly recap, but you'll see the video later if like the trade hits or not. So I have to go. I have to go do some shit. So I'll catch you guys tomorrow, same time. I'll probably be up a little earlier actually, and we'll see. All right. Peace out, fellas.